What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we need to continue from where we left off in yesterday's video, which was basically determining which direction we would see most of the major cryptocurrencies move to. Now, we got pretty much a solid bullish figure within a lot of the altcoins starting to form like bull flags or technical indicators, even pennant flags as you will. You can see drawn here. This was just yesterday's episode. It was a beautiful bull flag, for like descending pennant flag formation here, filling in the gap, lower highs, lower lows, getting squeezed. Typically how we enter is how we exit. We entered bullish and we should exit bullish, and let's see how we did now from that. And you can see we are starting to rally out, which is very exciting here. So we fell down, confirmed closure, and here's the pop to the upside here, a continued reference to where we're most likely going to be moving to. This rallied out and we should continue to head on higher, which is also exciting news. We're going to be looking at XRP, which I think hasn't done it just yet. We're going to tweak the charts ever so slightly. Ethereum still filling in the gap, consolidating as usual. Bitcoin consolidating here, filling in the gap, starting to pop just a couple of days ago here above just this resistance here, and it almost seems like maybe there's a new formation here, maybe not. We need some more indications to really confirm this. We'll be looking at QQQ, which is on the up and up. Same thing with the stock market. They've pretty much confirmed with yesterday's movement that we are going to be breaking out, which is very exciting. You can see we have confirmed above major resistance in the bull flag here. Flag pull up, lower high, lower lows, filling in the gap. We confirmed closure above here yesterday. Now we're going to start our ascent back up, more than likely confirmed. Same thing with S&P, consolidating downwards here, confirmed with yesterday's closure above major downtrend here. And guess what? We are now going to be on the up and up. Very exciting. Good buying opportunities. We bought in right here when it hit, maybe right over here. So I got in at some pretty low levels. Hopefully you guys did too. This is, again, microeconomic scale, very short term. There's always that chance, and there will be, where the markets dump very, very fast and very low, and we'll be ready for that too. But for the time being, we look very nice. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, make sure to check the link down in the description below. MARGEX is giving away some pretty cool bonuses here, up to $10,000, which is one of the highest ones I've seen in free bonus cryptocurrency. The way it works is by clicking the link down in the description below or using code CryptoTV, you can get 20% of your deposit bonus gifted back to you in bonus money, or a deposit in bonus money. I think I said it wrong the first time here. So if you deposit 1K, you get $200 back, 20%, which is very, very, very cool. This is a free and easy way to just take advantage of free bonus cryptocurrency. So you might as well check it out, even if you use other exchanges here. I like to call it exchange arbitrage, where you can grab the bonuses that are available on different exchanges. So here's one that you can take advantage of, completely free to enter, link down in the description below. But moving into today's episode, you guys can see here that XRP is starting to form what I think is a ascending broadening or descending broadening wedge. I'm going to have to tweak this just a hair, move this one slightly down, and you can see that we are still within the means of some sort of support, some sort of resistance, could even extend that out, but definitely a descending broadening wedge forming here. I want to pull up what that looks like. Descending, broadening, if I can type it in correctly here, kind of what these look like here. You can see on XRP, we rally up and we fall down, and we should be exiting bullish as well. I just want to show you, this is what kind of a descending broadening wedge looks like here. So we rally up and into it, and then we typically rally out. So it depends on the direction here. You can see, even though with this trading reversal, like that we fell into it here, it's the fact that it consolidates downwards that we rally out of it. It pretty much looks like this, where we rally in, consolidate down, and then rally out. It's pretty self-explanatory. It is exactly what is happening to XRP, which is a bullish sign. This is exciting news for all those that are wondering here. So pay attention to this major resistance here. When this is broken, and we'll see if we're going to have to tweak it to align with this, but for the time being, when this is broken, that's that bullish signal that we're waiting for. This is extremely bullish. Major run up. Keep in mind, 4-hour descending broadening wedge, filling in the gap right now. We could see it as early as in the next couple of hours or days here. We need to see how we react with this resistance. Once broken, I very likely think we could rally out. We could see a correction first and fill it in, then see the breakout, but how this is forming is extremely bullish. So keep your eyes peeled for the more than likely bullish break to come for XRP specifically. Now, on top of the XRP trades here, I do want to look at some of these other cryptos. We kind of saw the Solana formation here. This was an easy buy-in opportunity. Extremely easy buying opportunity, one that we've been tracking for a while. Beautiful rally in, descending fractal. We're getting squeezed, close below this resistance, and guess what? Massive breakout to the upside. Or I don't want to say a massive breakout, but a break to the upside. Nonetheless, I do think it could continue here. It is short term. We at most we're up 9.7. We're currently up like 6.5% here. But these other cryptocurrencies kind of will gauge where we're going to be moving to. We're gonna have to zoom in on Bitcoin, but XRP looks to be consolidating and filling in the gap here. So things really, we're going to have to separate a lot of these cryptos because like stock market, QQQ all look bullish. Bitcoin consolidating, Ethereum could pop. It's primed and ready. XRP, same thing. And the same thing goes with Solana here. So theoretically, we're bullish across the board here. I'm more bullish than bearish, but it really comes down to when that volume starts to pick up because we're near either major resistances or we had just gotten above resistances to see that breakout. Now you can see on MARGEX here, they do have Solana to trade, which is super cool. And you can see kind of these fractals that are forming here. Like we do have the beautiful uptrend. We have like the descending fractal, the downtrend right here as well. And you can see that kind of break that took place here. Is it the same thing? You can see that one right here. This is Solana on what charting are we doing? The daily. Let's jump to the 4 hour and get a better look. You can kind of see just the consolidation that's taking place here, however you want to draw it. I don't know if it's going to be the same exact trend as the Solana one right here. This is real short term. I think this is looking at the short term pattern right here. Let me just pull that up again, but you can see the long term pattern that's starting to take place. So yeah, they're really zoomed in on this one right here, which we can take a peek at too. This was an easy buying opportunity, downtrend right here. This is extremely short term and then extremely short term. You can see the consolidation filling in this gap, and then here's that short term break to the upside. But now that I showed you this, if we scale bigger and look at the daily, you can see the enormous descending fractal that was forming here and what caused that breakout to actually happen. So zooming back in again on the 4 hour charts, you can even probably go to the hourly. You could really see that beautiful descending fractal formation that caused the breakout reversal that's taking place from here. And if history repeats itself, I would ultimately think that with this run, I'll draw it in for you guys, with this run like this, as we fill in this gap here, we should ideally expect to see an even further, run to the upside here. Consolidation nonetheless. We did confirm that breakout, but it looks like these cryptos are all waiting for some sort of volume spike to really get the ball rolling here. So huge opportunities here. Make sure to get your trading bonus down in the description below. They also have a trading competition you can enter as well, which is super cool too. But it's free bonus crypto, and who doesn't like that? But aside from Solana seeing that consolidation, and aside from XRP beautifully forming some sort of bull flag here, there are these other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, which is consolidating here. We have this downtrend that we've clearly rejected off of consistently. So as we now fill this in, we are waiting for the speculated bullish run to the upside. I am waiting for that resistance to break and the rally to the upside to take place here. It just matters of when we break the downtrend. Once that downtrend is broken, then we'll know when to buy in, then we'll know how to take advantage of it. And that's pretty much what I'm waiting for and excited for as well. Bitcoin just broke out of this resistance here, but there must be something forming or I'm not seeing it. And again, I just don't see a technical pattern here enough for me to want to show you guys. Nothing but speculation. So again, leaving it alone. If you guys happen to see some sort of pattern that I'm not, feel free to let me know. But for the most part, we are just kind of doing our own thing on Bitcoin inside of maybe a bigger fractal here. But for the time being, it is consolidating. QQQ, we had a beautiful buying opportunity at the bottom here. Once we retested support, we knew we'd rebound and reverse. Well, we didn't know, but we got a pretty good assumption here with this descending fractal that it's typically bullish. If we had not rejected and reversed right there, what we were expecting is more rejection, hit support here, then see the reversal. Really doesn't matter. Starting to take place now. So I think we'll now start to scale back up to what appears to be all-time highs yet again. Incredible, but crazy. It really is crazy. Just dollar cost average way up or down. It's fine. You'll be able to take advantage of it and just keep with doing that. Lastly, stock market. heading up even higher. Beautiful day today, starting the rally, and more than likely going to continue to scale higher. So very exciting here. Hopefully you guys are excited too. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.